To fix a Google Chrome browser which is not functioning properly, just click on the icon of your Google Chrome and select Troubleshoot Compatibility, and Windows will try to detect and resolve issues. Once done, select Try Recommended Settings and just click Next, and then click Test Program. Once done, if it's functioning, you can just go ahead, close your browser, and click to close the testing. If this still didn't solve the issue and you're still facing any other errors, just delete the icon, type Google Chrome, and select or click with the right button of the mouse, click on Open File Location. And once the file location is open, just copy-paste the Google Chrome shortcut into your desktop. This should solve the problem which you are facing if your Google Chrome is not functioning or working properly. If you still have some problems with it, then I invite you to go to your settings, or you can just go ahead and go to the control panel, and you can go Programs, uninstall a program. You try to locate Google Chrome and proceed with deleting it. You can uninstall it and reinstall it again. But be careful, proceeding with this last solution will delete all the bookmarks which you have if you have not synchronized them or saved them on your account.